Standard 7 Social Science Unit 1 Civics State Government Book Back Exercise. First Roman, choose the correct answer. The first question, what is the minimum age for becoming a member of the State Legislative Council? The options are 18 years, option B 21 years, option C 25 years, option D 30 years. The correct answer is option D 30 years. Second question, how many states does India have? The options are A 26, B 27, C 28, D 29. How many states does India have? The correct option is option D 29 states. Question number 3. The word state government refers to. The options are government departments in the states, option B legislative assembly, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C both A and B. That is government department in the state, legislative assembly. Both A and B are correct. Question number 4. The overall head of the government in the state is the options are A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Governor, D. Chief Minister. The overall head of the government in the state government is the correct answer is B. Prime Minister. Question number 5. Who appoints the Chief Minister and other ministers? The options are A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Governor, D. Election Commissioner. Who appoints the Chief Minister and other ministers? The correct answer is C. Governor. Question number 6. Who becomes the Chief Minister? The options are A. Leader of the majority party, B. Leader of the opposition party, C. Both, D. None. Who becomes the Chief Minister? The correct option is A. Leader of the majority party. The 7th question. What are the 3 branches of the state government? The options are A. Mayor, Governor, MLA. The option B. Panchayat, Municipality, Corporation. Option C. Village, City, State. Option D. Legislative, Executive and Judiciary. The correct option is D. Legislative, Executive and Judiciary are the 3 branches of the state government. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. The first question, the governor is appointed by the dash. President of India. The correct answer is President of India. The second question, The leader of the majority party is appointed as dash in the state assembly. The correct answer is the chief minister. The chief minister. Question number 3. Dash is the highest judicial organ of the state. The correct answer is the High Court. The correct answer is the High Court. Question number 4. MLA stands for dash. The correct answer is Member of Legislative Assembly. MLA stands for Member of Legislative Assembly. Question number 5. Dash is a particular area form where all the voters living there choose their representatives. The correct answer is electoral constituencies. Electoral constituencies. Question number 6. The elected representatives who are not the member of ruling party are called dash. The correct answer is opposition party. Correct answer is opposition party. Third Roman. Match the following. Questions are MLAs, Governor, Chief Minister, Union Territories, Fort St. George. The options are Secretariat, 7, Head of the State, Legislative Assembly, Leader of the Majority Party. The correct answers are first one, MLAs, Legislative Assembly. Number 2, Governor, Head of the State. Number 3, Chief Minister, Leader of the Majority Party. Number 4, Union Territories. 7. Number 5, Fort St. George, Secretariat. Fourth Roman. Consider the following statements. Tick the appropriate answer. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is or are not correct? To become a governor, 1. Option A, should be the citizen of India. Option B, should have completed 25 years of age. Option C, should have sound mind. Option D, should not hold any office of profit. The correct option B, should not have completed 25 years of age. From here, 25 years of age is wrong. The correct answer is 35 years of age. Question number 2. Consider the following statements and state true or false. A. MLAs are together responsible for the working of the government? Question B. All the MLAs of other political party who do not belong to the ruling party are called opposition party. Question number C. MLAs are not the representative of the people. C. MLAs are not the representative of people. The A answer is true. MLAs are together responsible for the working of the government. True. B answer also true. All the MLAs of other political party who do not belong to the ruling party are called opposition party. C. MLAs are not the representative of people. False. MLAs are the representative of people is true. Okay. Question number 3. Find out the correct meaning of bicameral legislature. The options are A. It means that there are camerals in the legislature. Option B. It means that the legislature has men and women members. Option C. It means that there are two houses like upper house and lower house. Option D. It means that the governor is the leader over the members of the legislature. The correct option is C. It means that there are two houses like upper house and lower house. Question number 4. Assertion. India has a federal system of government. Reason. According to our constitution, the power is divided between central and state governments. The options are A. A is correct and R explain A. Option B. A is correct and R does not explain A. Option C. A is correct and R is wrong. Option D. Both are wrong. The correct answer is option A. A is correct and R explain A. That is, India has a federal system of government. According to our constitution, the power is divided between central and state governments.